Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to unrestrict someone on Messenger if you restricted them before and want to reconnect. So let's jump right in. First, launch the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Now tap on the menu icon usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on Settings. Scroll down until you see the option called Privacy and Safety and tap on it. So this is basically the section where you can get information about a lot of things. Now locate restricted accounts and tap on it. This will show you a list of people you have restricted on Messenger. So for now, Ellen Stoneham is the only account that is restricted in my account. Tap on the person's name and tap Unrestrict. And done. That person is now unrestricted and can message you normally again. Restricted people can't see why you are online or when you have read their messages. Unrestricting them, it restores normal chat behavior. So don't worry, they won't be notified that you restricted or unrestricted them. And that's how easy it is to unrestrict someone on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.